What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a screen protector or a film. It's not a tempered glass, it's a screen protector, but it's supposed to keep the anti-reflectingness of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As you can tell, this has an anti-reflective screen. The S24 Ultra debuted it last year. They've come back with it, and this one is supposed to be better. Now, take a look at the screen for yourself. Okay, you do have it's anti-reflective, as you can see, not a lot of reflection on it. A couple from the lights I'm using because my lights here are very bright, but we're gonna go ahead and install this. I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then you could tell me if this is better or the same. So let's go ahead and check that out for ourselves. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in, or take this out. And Samsung sells this. Drop down in the description, you wanna pick this up. If you guys wanna check it out from Samsung. And let's take a look. And it comes with your microfiber cloth, which is great. And then it comes with, let's see what else what other goodies we get in here. It gives you a little guide here for the bottom. I'll show you how to use that. And got some instructions. You don't need that because you got me. And then that's it there. And then they come with two. So if you mess it up or you need to put a new one later, you have two that you can choose from. But the first thing you want to do is power it off. So we'll go ahead and power that off. And then I believe they give you a little squeegee here so that you can work the screen protector in. They give you some dust remover stickers. I did not see any wet willies. Is that like a wet wipe? So I got this from another screen protector installation kit from another screen protector. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that because I like to use these to kind of get the dust off, and then you can kind of use the microfiber cloth to kind of dry it. So you're just gonna go ahead and wipe that down, and then take your microfiber cloth, wipe it down there, and then you want to grab this. There's sticky here. You can peel those off. That's just so it sticks. And what you want to do is put this like so that your device is like that, because you're gonna have to attach the side of that. So go ahead and wipe it down again. Take these here. Make sure you get all the dust off. I mean, if you wipe it down with the cloth and the microfiber, you should be good. But just in case, wherever you're at, you'll be good to go. And then you want to get your screen protector. Take it out. And then you want to peel this off here. That's the first thing you want to peel off. And then you want to flip it over, attach the bottom here to there. And then kind of make sure your camera's lined up, everything's lined up. You want to make sure that there's a little spot there that it's supposed to stick. And then you simply take this bad boy here, and then you're gonna work that piece out so that you can put that on. Boom. That's your first. And the bubbles will come out pretty good, so don't worry about it. And then you don't need this piece, so you can pop this off. And then do the same thing here. You want to work it out. Boom. That pops off. And then you want to take this off. You don't need that anymore. Grab your microfiber cloth here. And then you just want to pull the top part off. And boom. Get out any bubbles. You got a little bit of a bubble there. There you go. Then work out any bubbles you have. See that bubble that I had there? It's gone. Il Gano. You got another one there popping up. And they'll come out. So you could just get them out with your microfiber cloth. And then you should be good to go. Pop her on. And remember, this is not a tempered glass. This is a film. Basically protected from like scratches, but not cracks. Okay. So we're going to check out the anti-reflective film to see if we keep our anti-reflectiveness. So we're going to swipe to unlock. Got to put my code. And you tell me, what do you think? You think this is still good? My buddy says he likes it. He said that he still feels like it's reflective. I don't know what you guys think on camera. I think it's still pretty good. I've gotten used to the anti-reflective screen. Now when I use another phone, I'm like, oh, what happened to my anti-reflective? Let's try the fingerprint. That's gonna work well. It's a film, it's not a tempered glass. So remember that when you're putting this on, it's not a miracle worker, but they give you two. So if you mess up, you should be good to go. But yeah, like I said, all the bubbles will come out eventually. Looks like I got a good job on there on my camera. If you can see that there. But yeah, I mean, I think it looks okay. I don't like screen protectors, but I use them because I don't want to mess up my phone. So, and as far as your cases go, should work well with your case. This is one from UAG. I got a video on this if you want to check out that case. It's the Metropolis, what is it? The Metropolis LT. But yeah, so now we got some good protection. We got the film. I prefer tempered glass, but I need to find one that keeps the anti-reflectiveness. That's gonna do it, man. That's the Galaxy S25 Ultra anti-reflective film from Samsung. Drop down in the description. You want to pick that up. I'm Android Stud.